In this video, I want to introduce you to another good strategy for getting .gov links, and that is to create pages on your site that list jobs. This can be jobs that your company might offer, or internships or learning opportunities, or it can be an aggregation of maybe neighborhood or community jobs that you maintain. And the more jobs you have, the more learning opportunities you have, the better. And you can then find local employment agencies and organizations that have to do with helping lower income individuals find jobs, find learning opportunities, and some organizations that help to boost diversity. And all of them might be interested in linking to your jobs page from their website as a fantastic resource, because in fact it would be a fantastic resource. And then they could list you in their directory, obviously, and maybe they'll feature you in their blog post or maybe in some other way. And this is another way also the news might love you too, because this is locally noteworthy. And if you promote this enough, it will get on the radar of local editors, local journalists, and they might actually run a story about how much good you're doing to the community and how your business is at the forefront of it. And you'll get a lot of attention, a lot of links, traffic and links. So this is a fantastic thing to do, as a nice thing to do, but also it can get you a lot of .gov links and actually other authoritative links from maybe local news sites. So this strategy has a lot of potential.